Hey everybody, I'm Kurt Wooker Jr. from Crypto Traders Pro here with Matthew John to talk to you about the Brave browser. And we're super excited because about a year ago, I remember hearing about the Brave browser and I said, nobody's going to switch their browser. Nobody's going to switch from Chrome or Mozilla or whatever they're using. And it turns out I was wrong. So Brave has crossed the mile marker of 4 million active users per month.
I was actually talking about Brave and BAT to our community and in our Facebook group right when we started in August 2017, and a lot of people started picking it up and using it and actually making that switch, because eventually you'll be able to get paid to browse the web and opting in to view ads. So you might have a pop-up ad come up on your phone if you're browsing on mobile. It'll say, okay, I'll watch this 15-second video, and it'll be targeted towards you, and you watch it and you're gonna get some BAT for watching it. I think Brave is the current largest cryptocurrency related project that actually has users, and I think that is just massive. They're going to be the ones that fuel mass adoption. I've been saying this for a while, because everybody needs a browser. Why not use one with the user in mind that values your privacy, that doesn't have ads, and that pays you for simply browsing the web? But what are you most excited about for Brave?
Well, I'm really excited about the ads turning on. I'm excited to use it for BAT. I spend 10 hours a day on the internet anyways, and if I could be getting some kind of a benefit other than a sore lower back, that would be really, really exciting. But just continued privacy upgrade. I love all the conversation in the Brave community about privacy, anonymity, and the sovereignty of the internet user. Like the internet was supposed to be a privacy enabling tool that cut out the middlemen of government and your telecom companies and all of those things. And I think we lost a little bit of that, but Brave is bringing it back. They're bringing it back aggressively, and they're bringing it back with a really slick functional package. I'm excited to see people using privacy without realizing they have connected to the Tor network and all that different stuff. It's those spillover benefits. That's what I'm most excited about. And I have to ask you, Matt, what are you most excited about on the Brave roadmap?
Well, I've been following their project since as early as I can remember in early 2017 when they actually had their ICO. There's a few things that I've seen mentioned in the community, one being the Brave VPN. I'm not sure if they're actually going to go through with this or not, but I saw there was a lot of community feedback. People were really welcome to that idea. So having a browser with a built-in VPN, I think, would be one of a kind. I don't think any other browser offers that, to my knowledge. Another thing I'm really excited for is for BAT to be integrated into the iPhone. So I use Brave a lot on my iPhone now. I've switched completely off of Safari, but I'm not able to set up my BAT wallet in there and actually pay content creators or websites that I visit frequently with BAT. And finally, I'm really excited just to see roadmap updates. I know they're in the process of switching to Brave Core and upgrading the entire browser across mobile and desktop. So I'm excited for that. I want to really see this continue to grow. And I'm sure by the end of the year, we're going to hit 5 million monthly active users. I can't even imagine where we're going to be at next year.
Well, and that's the beauty of it. You can eliminate the ads, or you can get paid to view ads. And thinking about the millions and millions of people worldwide who are power users, why would you not be using a browser that A, protects your privacy, and B, potentially will pay you to exist on the internet? I don't see a way that loses in the long term, and I'm super, super excited to see all the ways that Brave is going to be pushing the boundaries going forward.
And I don't think it's an insignificant amount either. I think once the ads actually launches and you're an active user, I'm pretty sure everybody on here is an active daily user of the internet. So if you're frequently browsing, you're opting into ads passively, I'm sure it's going to be at least a couple $100 a year. So, you know, how many other browsers are paying you $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 a year? And this depends on the BAT price, of course. If the price goes up, you know, it could be worth even more. How many other browsers are offering that? You're essentially able to pay your internet bill for just using the internet.
So if you are not currently a Brave browser user, go to brave.com/cry788. So download, use, enjoy, be private, be anonymous on the internet, and enjoy the internet freely again.
So this is Matthew from Crypto Traders Pro.
And Kurt Wooker Jr. from Crypto Traders Pro.
And we'll see you on the moon.